man. So, yes people, my laptop up already now, so start put out back some new video now. So, can start watch back Paradise Nation Entertainment. Just put up one video we got Portland, that's the latest. So we kinda try to make them longer now. So remember, subscribe, like and share. Paradise Nation Entertainment. Gwan Narmal.
Boy. Jesus Christ. How am I money there? Greg! Greg! What that little boy I love walk about some man? Hello?
Yeah.
You not hear me I call your phone? Why make you not answer your phone?
No.
What you mean nothing? Little boy where you come out of the yard for?
Come out the yard.
What you mean you not come out?
I'm a friend.
What you say?
I'm a friend with a link.
You go link your friend?
Yeah.
I me leave the money in the house and come back and see it. What happened to it?
I'm in the up there. No.
So you think say me no know say and him did up there? Where the money when me left on the table?
Never trouble it.
You not trouble it?
No.
Okay, well me and you have to go start out that. Come in the yard.
Alright.
Alright, make sure me wait for you, you know, make sure you come in the yard. You hear me?
Alright.
Okay. Yes. Officer Garden. A pansy. You have any time where you know spare time where you can come meet me around my yard? I something I want to talk to you about. I don't really want to tell you on the phone, you understand? Alright, where you say you can come? I mean which pansy? Pansy will live around a blue garden there, so. Yes, alright. Alright, yeah man, thanks.
Oh, mommy,
What, baby?
this is my fine.
Wow.
Kind of money.
Wallahi, let me see it.
Wait now, mommy.
Let me see it. No, look boy, give me this. How are you find US?
Mommy, how you feel take all like money when we fine?
Christ, look boy, you did a good
Mommy, you
job.
have to give me some.
No, man,
Mommy,
baby.
hold on. I'm not fine.
Look boy, easy. Don't worry yourself. Mommy got this here.
So, mommy, where you hide the money for?
Look boy, I can put up the money because so come on, I'm deal with this.
Who somebody come down here and say them want about them money now? Remember, say thief the money, you know? And you tell me say for thief. Make sure, you know, because I want you to buy a PS4.
Don't worry yourself. Tomorrow start out the money thing is a little boy leave all money problems.
But,
to
mommy,
me.
and my money or me fine.
I don't talk to you.
You see, same thing me tell you, but you're not listening. You're not listening, you don't know when you're listening, you don't know ears. Eh? You're not listening, man. Your ears too hard. You feel listen when people talk to you.
So you say I go on now?
Me have my money put down in my house. And him have one thiefing friend live down the road. Come up here and thief me money. What I must do about it because me need it back.
So far him live?
You don't live too far from your son, you know?
You don't have to drive though.
You don't have to drive a walking distance. You just live
Alright, come on.
towards down there so.
Come show me him now.
Come. Put this on and how far you can walk. Yes.
Police! Don't move. Don't move. Somebody send me down here. Same thief some money.
You don't thief no
Listen to me, get up.
So you know say I empty for money.
You want to stand up? Stand up over here, sir.
Yo, who you did it to you?
Stand up over here.
So mine had no man.
Stop it off.
What is? Watch out now. can't lock you up, you know. I can't lock you up too.
Wow.
Listen to me now.
I never did know about that money.
I mean, I never did know about this
Never
man.
know
So
about
what
that
are you
money,
doing here?
I don't know.
So what are you doing here? Now you him live here.
Me don't live here.
You see him, and if you control it. Here? You see part when I go down? It's not a good part. You see him father, no half of him father.
Me not go catch him.
If I say something again, I care about the station. If you laugh with me again either, make me there.
Listen, we could just hear what him saying.
Make me there.
And make him talk. Him is a police.
Make me
Go
there.
on, father.
Make him talk. Stand up here, so.
Listen to me. You see him father, him wanted for a couple murder and a couple thieving. And him like him go down in the same part. We're not afraid to shoot him, you know?
My beer father you talk about no call him beer father name them with the man.
You hear me I say? The lady out there, so I'm give back the lady her money.
Mommy, you know something like police already, you know?
Come on, man, I have this time now. Just control him, here. Control him. I search everywhere in there. I'm not seeing no money. You sure say you see him take it?
Me not see when he take it.
Boy, I search everywhere.
Yo. Him alone I go for me yard to my son when me not did there, you know. And he thief. That the boy the thief out milk out of coffee. Me no want him at my yard. And any day me come at my yard and come see him, you know not like him, you want to know some report, you know.
Boy, Pansy, I wish me could have helped you. But that can't go out.
So I saw my money I just go down the drain.
Boy, I search everywhere, as we say. Everywhere. Spick and span. Come on, we go up a yard and try to see if we can figure this out.
Him alone go on my yard when me not did there, you know, and we up there play with my son. And he thief.
No, so if think match up with me, just help me out, brother. I don't know everything we set up. See,
Don't worry yourself, man.
Bless him.
Just go on your thing, man. I'm there, man. I go on now.
every time.
I'm there, I go on now, man.
Alright.
Any one of them trouble you, just call me.
Manners again.
Right away.
Alright, sir.
Right away, just call me.
Alright. Bless
Alright?
up.
Yeah, man.
See.
Go on, man. Inspector Leng. What you say? Alright, I know if you find him. I know if you find him. I'll search him right now. I know if you find him. Alright. Hello? Morning. Just a minute. Morning. Sorry for disturb you, but you know I'm looking for the one Oliver. You have any information on him?
I know some, I don't know which party in there.
Alright.
I don't know where in there.
But if you have any information, just feel free to call 311. The pretty baby. Good morning. Alright, police. Just be safe. And don't let me have to lock you up, alright? Alright, pretty girl. Alright, take care of yourself. I might have to lock you up. You're too pretty. Alright, take care, alright?
Sorry.
Oliver! Better you carry yourself in a boy. I don't want to kill you.
Bet you go on in there, sir.
Alright, I'll give me tough chat. Tough chat. I must swallow boy. Your mother going ball. Babes, like a man say I send the money for buy land, you know. Tell the man say it was $6 million field land. I make you use 3 and buy one boxy and go on Narmal.
That's enough money
Watch
still.
out, watch out. We can't put it on the boxy on the road and run taxi. Or sometimes we can drive here and go somewhere too. I say that's the thing now. You know tired for walk?
I true, you know. I true.
Right now I'm a main man, but they come like a me I got be a car. Me I got drive up and down in it, you know.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hi, babe.
What's up?
I'm here. So what do you think about the land?
Yeah, I see the picture and I like it still enough. I have a look at the side. Settings there. So, how much did I ask it now, though?
She say a 6 feet, you know. She first she did say 7, but me tell her say she can't do better than that, and she say a 6 feet.
Alright, but me I call you. Why you text me on the phone, though? I was calling you earlier.
Babe, sorry, I probably did do something and me never hear the phone ring.
Oh, you sweat, so?
What you mean, babes?
Why did that?
Babe, nobody that day here with me, babes.
What's the bed?
Look, babes, nobody that day here with me. Nobody that day here with me. I don't know why you do this. Look, babes, nobody not in there. Nobody not in there. Nobody not in there, babes. Why you babes so with me?
I'm saying where you from.
Babes. Babes, no look at that.
But anyway, I'm back to the land. So I have nothing here. But
Yeah.
let's just speak overall, you know what I mean?
Babes, any woman did it for your solid already.
Alright, so different though. Alright, so what we're going to do still, I'm going to send you half of the money because you know Jamaica State, they know I take so much money in that country, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to send you half of the money and then a few weeks later I'm sending the next half.
Alright, that not sound bad.
Yeah man, so you're just going to down the bank for clearing. So you will come like in one click on the express so you can get it by next week. You know what I mean?
Alright, babes.
I say you're good though.
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just there. I go and chill. I miss you and all of them something there. You need to hurry up and come back home. You know, I
You
miss
have to do the
you.
work because the money is needed, so you have to do the work. You know what I mean?
Alright, baby.
So we have to look at my part to give the screamer part, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Me I go and clean up
So
the
we
place,
eat
so.
early though.
Yeah, me eat and them so. Yes. Me I go and clean up the place, so me I go call you back later, here.
What you mean I say now?
Alright, babes, alright. My phone battery is dead, so later. Love you too, bye. Bye. Bye, babe, bye. What? Yeah, babe. Yeah. Oh, you told me I could drive on that wood.
Yes, so. Yeah, man, from me there on the road, see me, man. Me not left until me catch a boy, man. Me not left. Me not even go me yard, go bathe or nothing. Right now it's a good thing, so me can't want shut on the road. But I'm still fresh, see me. Still fresh, you see me? Me not even want left. Cause the boy they not kill nobody else, you know. And the boy, me say, boy, lucky, you know, Sarge. Me I tell you, say, me almost bust out in here, you know. Me say, me a crawl on the ground, and stay, so Sarge. Not even sleep, me not sleep, Sarge, me I tell you, man. Me a wait, me there, so I wait. I go on now, man, I wait for you, man. Alright. Me call if no info come up. Yeah.
Alton, take too long, brother, for the man. You don't feel it straight, you man, a pull it.
Yeah, for the pulley one.
You grab on for the man. Come, man.
I'm making
back, man.
Where's the sleeves up?
Ready now.
Put it on there, so you let it go.
Ready now, ready now.
Ready now.
Ready now, and action.
Don't man. Let it go now, man. I don't want to kill any bossy. I love you make you live, you know. You understand? Understand how you love make me live. You understand? Live. See me?
Yo, Sarge. Me quit. Yeah, man, me quit, man. Been there in this for 20 years and me nah make no little boy come try to take me 3 points. Yeah, man, me quit, man, but me send in an application to you.
It's resignation.
Right. Yo, Sarge. Me quit, you know. Yeah, man, me quit, man. Me a send him my resignation letter, man. Me nah make this a little boy take my 3 points. Me quit. So you what? We chat little bit. Me nah do it. Me can't do it.
Gwan.
But where the part?
Yeah, easy, man. No, say up the road, them say me I walk a go, as me say me I walk go there, you me buck up, you know. Remember the work where you say I get for me, you see? So it a go.
It's because me just so clean and work. Can't to bring in nobody for the work yet, dog. Big man thing. But as soon as I can make a come in for the work, make a forward. You see me? Because they are going now, man, see me and I go on easy. Because I have to go link bossy.
I watch no face still, you know. In time you start out, man, just give me a link.
They see easy than normal, dog. Yo, but you better grow in the yard right now, go see what going around there. Because yo, they see easy than normal, dog. Oh, you sneeze, so?
Yeah.
Alright.
My name is Chad Anthony Lawrence, and I'm a rapper from down in Jamaica. My name is Chad. You is Biggie. Biggie Smalls. I am 1 pack.
Get ready. No. Alton, you have one brother friend, one twin brother. Alton!
I don't know, somebody says something.
Yo, Alton! I come in store and he say, I rap and you want to rap and she read. Yeah.
So clear the way, please.
Yo, go back. We never teach every son crap for bicycle here. Yo, go over this some more, brother. Man, we can't stop him, brother. No!
Hold on. Hold them. That's it.
Bicycle chain japper.
You're dead, man. So you know idea what I'm vibes that evening, yeah?
Alton, can go. Yes, keep that smile. Keep smiling.
Wait till you say.
Smiling contest. Who can only smile?
Come in.
Smiling contest.
I'm still smiling.
I'm sad.
Okay, I just Yo. Who's more back? Why?
Yo, hold on, I go for them ban me on TikTok still, but
I lie. I'm Alton and you are dance, listen.
You see it on TikTok?
Yeah.
I'm here to dance to nobody.
Alton then gold chain like that.
So everybody see it without me?
They don't make them bunny, brother.
I don't know, people music in our background.
You been banned off picture.
Yeah, then video don't take off. I don't want them, but not.
Yo, who are the Alton challenge? Alton challenge. How you say who can do?
Alton.
Which one? What is Alton challenge? I wish I knew what that was. But anyway, I must clean out. Come here. Now take your whip. They got from me. Now take your whip to me. No, you take the chair. You take her.
So, see Alton challenge people. Alton challenge. So, make you see who can do it right now. It's on TikTok. Who can do it? So, who are it? Which one are it? Who are it? Who are it? Come in. Who are we now? Right now. Come. Come. Sit here. Stop. Alright, so. Come now. Come, Alton challenge.
Kids, do not try this at home.
So, you know, Narmal with Alton boy, you know. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. You know about this come down. Narmal.
Yes, also a notification bell. Guys, the marble game was nice, so too. Like it up and share.
Who for marble, man? Hold on. Who for marble?
I mind them. See him. Oh, I mean like you as well.
You play marble? The road too wet enough.
You're innocent one, then you play marble.
The road too marble. Yeah, I'm get a drop this morning, you see. I'm good still, I'm good people. Wasn't that bad, but
They make people love race and not get themselves in the dirty water.
I don't need to go bathe and wash off the dirty water off on. I need to go bathe and wash off the dirty water before we catch up ring morning. Go and bathe now, evening, and I'm going now, rainfall, go and watch some TV.
No way!
We don't have Netflix, we have TV.
Why have Netflix?
Go and watch some Netflix, man. I'm going now. I know next week at Kid Street, you know. Next week at Kid Street, so remember guys, you can cash up, see me, cash up the right up us, so I'm going now, man. I'm going easy.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Next week Saturday. Next week
I was
Saturday.
wondering.
Yeah, next week Saturday at Kid Street, so I get some KFC and get to go on now, man.
KFC. Hey, Alton, can you do this? You failed. We're gonna close off the video.
Yo. How are you there?
Yo, she didn't even know in my youth. You see, same sinister thing where I talk about, brother. You want to see how I go around and me yard go see youth. I should even right now come like a drop more and drop down youth. I'm gonna laugh.
Brother, me tell them how that's these thing there. No, all in the dog. Me tell us, yo, me a high man, brother. Tell us if I sneeze in the dog. Me know there's something going on.
Brother, make a U-turn going to my house, brother. Like me left something. I want me take a stop, me see my woman a move. Busy youth in that place. All beer there and weed where she not drink. So I'm go look for me, I look for now. I step on a man and brother. I drag him out, boy. You don't know, say me and the police, them in a beer things. I throw him out, brother. I see she youth. I send me, I send her go for her mother youth.
Boy. Boy, you're rough, dog. You're rough. So what you gonna do, dog? What you gonna do?
brother, send her home over her mother youth. She'll come back and tell me say place no space and me send her back over there, brother. Come on some time for myself, King.
Brother, don't make him come back, dog. That girl then have no style.
King good, man.
You gotta try this man. You can't sit there. Alright, boss, that gone way first. Swan next one. Come again. Yeah, boss. I hold a leak and fall, so I come. Oh.
Gwan, Popeye? Are you say you there?
What you do me that? You don't know say you frighten me, man.
I'm for frightening you know from when I walk and I look for you?
So what you look for me for? As far as me can see somebody fat you up already.
Yeah, somebody fat me up and you do it.
Who breed you? What you say to me, mama?
What you mean when I say? You not look, you not see how long now you not see me?
How you breed? How you breed? How me breed you?
You do it from the last time I see you in my dream.
Me breed you? No, man. How me breed you?
Right now, 100,000 I need. 100,000 for go do ultrasound for a baby. Yeah? That me I did it.
Trust me, to what me see you take up there now, you don't need 100,000 they call from me. No, you smoke until now. You have to top smoke.
You make me a walk and a smoke.
You know good for the baby.
You make me a walk and a smoke all about because I'm stressed out and I can't find you. You know, see,
right
now I want all a drink. You know, see, my lip, look on my lip, need something.
Hold on, what going on, bossy? What going on?
Mind my stomach.
Tell me ugly face breathing when I sleep.
Here, I'm go see you.
Yo, hear me.
Look up for me and don't touch me. Let me go.
I know fear thing, you know, man. I know fear style, you know, but that's the foolishness. Stop. Stop. Come on, come style the boss thing. Come on, 5 feet. Come on, 5 feet. I'll try to embarrass the boss. Take up your something. Watch out. Take them up. Take them up. Take them up. You're a big man, you know, man. You can't make any girl that try to take your feet off, you know.
You mean you won't say, him breathe for me and I sleep?
And I sleep.
So you know, say, it's a mad woman that. Oh, yeah, no, Alton. You see this, you know? Trust you with it. Go to our bank and lodge it right away.
Alright, I'll change off. I'll just change off.
Hurry up.
Boss, let me drive the bus now.
No, Alton, just take a bike taxi. We have other business to do.
Boss, give me a drive off my bus now.
No, Alton, man, just take bike taxi, man. We put $10,000 in my bag for you. We have other things to do.
Alright, respect, boss.
No, Alton, take a bike taxi, man. We put $10,000 in for you too, so you don't have no problem with bike.
Alright, respect.
You have some business to go deal with, otherwise some that. But me go and check my account to see if the money reach. So no delay, you know.
drink your rum by yourself then.
Stop. Still drink up here, I go buy it back.
No, not the normal boy, you know.
Pauline, give me a minute there. Come here.
Oh, Gwan, long time I not see you know. You good?
I'm kind of alright, but not so alright. You know them way there?
You know, you understand.
Anyway, me like your hair. You look nice.
I me do it with you know.
You look pretty.
Thanks.
You can't do mine like that?
No problem, man. So what you say you're going to now?
You know, so me kind of hungry. Me hungry, me not eat nothing from morning. You don't have no food over here yard, can give me?
No, so I'm going to look at overnight food me have so on Sunday, Monday. You want it?
You know, some of that eat it though, because me not have nothing else to eat. What me go do, I not eat from morning.
Come for your food, come go dish out some for you.
Before you go for the food, you know, so me don't want to talk to you about something.
What you want to talk to me about now?
You know, so me not have nowhere to stay. Me not have nowhere to stay. That's why I come to you. To talk to you about now anywhere where they rent. You know where they rent?
You know, so me have one room around this house. I don't know if you want it, you know. I go rent it though.
You know, so me I go want it. I wouldn't mind you give it to me. But you see, the pain of renting, it not go work out for me right now because me dey work and me lose my job and me not have no money. But you can give me it, and as soon as things pick up, because me go look work, you know. Me will pay you your money. Any money when me owe you, me pay. I true nothing now go on now, you understand?
Why that not sound good to me, you know?
Me pay your money,
then
man.
Suppose you not get no work, how me go get my pay?
Yo, me say last night that run I party, me stay some bumps in I corner, man. The girl I go on Narmal.
So you see me?
Me see over there, but you know, I think come down there, me just go on. You see me, cause I love how she look and neat.
So man, people, you carry home.
And then I get to go home, man.
Soft, man.
No, dog, you ain't the panny, you know.
God know.
But I get her number still, so.
A good thing, man. But yo, it's a make one wrong, but you don't one crime.
Alright, do you must.
Nothing there.
Alright, I'm there, go on Narmal. I'm there, go on Narmal.
I have a friend for a long time, but that one day too serious for me right now. You have to go see if you get somewhere else, yeah?
You can't just help me, please, because I have nowhere to go.
Me can't right now. Me want money. How it a go? If you not pay no rent, light bill have to pay, water bill have to pay, food have to come in at the house. Everything I got there on me. Me sorry about that, man. Me can't go down a route there right now. See if you get somewhere else. Check.
I have to go right now.
Alright, what good?
me left one black bag right so.
No, which bag? Me not see no bag.
I left one, could have sworn me left one black bag right so a while ago and go away a while ago.
Me not come and come see no bag. Where you come and come see about bag for? Me not know about no bag. Me not see no bag, but you still have.
Yo, bad bro. When we out there so I drink a while ago, you see me left the bag when I have one. Alright, let's see how it goes. I'm there walk and look for the morning. Alright. Yo, I know say I call you, you know. But I have to call link you, dog. You know say the bag when I have on my shoulder. You remember the bag?
Yeah.
You know say I some money in it for the boss. Like I left the bag there so dog I'm in a seat. So I wonder for sure say you
No, mama tell me get up in the morning, take up your room. And the trace and I think come more now.
Dog, I left the bag there and like somebody go there and take up the bag, dog.
But I know that's me thing different, dog. I'm gonna do that to you. You see me, dog? Cause right now I'm even there, dog, stressed out. You see me? Cause even my daughter have bone cancer right now and I overseas. Them are pray to make she go. You see me? Cause them try the treatment out here and nothing no help. So right now I'm there stressed out, brother. Over 28,000. We have to find right now. I don't even know if you start from. You see me?
Boy, John O dog. I wish I could have helped you. But I even so bossy, but bossy, I know somebody from the media. Where she help bossy if you get rich. So I chat to bossy and say if bossy can make she come link you.
Yeah man, do the right thing man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah man, cause it work, you know. Cause she make bossy get rich.
Yeah, make a link for me man and make she come do interview man. I really need the help man.
I'm sorry.
It's alright man, we're there man.
Yeah man.
Alton, from morning I sent it to the bank and I can't get no response. It just opened the message a while ago. What happened? What happened?
Well, go on.
Yeah, go on.
Where do you mean see up on the end, daddy? If I start by the rich man them, now see up on the ends again, Danny. Switch up your thing, God.
Yo, me there going Narmal, say me man, but I true. Boss give me some money if you go bank fee.
If I start by the rich man them, brother, you reach and switch out you out.
Brother, relax, sir.
You look like you're hide. Where are you, sir?
Relax, sir, dog. I move, sir. Relax, man, cause I saw money me last, dog, today. I lost some money today, dog. Cause boss give me some money if you go bank. And like me left here one place, cause me there work, isn't it? I have to look out of my eye them, cause I know boss catch me, you know. No, boss catch me, cause he call me from there. I can't answer him, man, dog.
Alton, listen, I've been checking my account again and again and I'm not seeing the money in the account. I need to know what happened to my money because...
Say it's a careless, brother. Last man money in a them time now, you.
Brother, I no careless, dog. Should even know, mate. And like say me nobody me can borrow money from you in the night. Cause right now I some enough money in a day me there I place my youth and I tell you. I'm see so bomb some day I go and braff with me and I go and Narmal so me and my nigga there. And like me left me take off the bag, you see me? And put it down. And by the time I left dog and come back, me no see money.
What problem that you know? Yo. So you can do still and take time match it out still now.
Just do the right thing, man. Cause
it's alright, man.
there so I go and Narmal see me, you know, cause I didn't want boss here pass and see me.
Yo,
I see me out there.
see that talk. You know better.
Me there someone that do you right, man. Do you right.
Alright, me link.
Yo, bossy. Boy, me see you miss call him and say, you know, me see all the WhatsApp message, but God know. Choose something go down to him, me couldn't even get to come link you, come back so early, but me sort it out now, so which part there?
Me just reach, me park up out of my gate. Me a wait.
Run your yard. Alright, me I walk on link you right now. Alright.
Whole day, me there check for online to see if the money reach my account and all no Alton. And I like say me I'll give extra money. What problem?
Boy, bossy. You don't even want to know what I'm going to. You know, some lost the money today. I'm end up somebody find you and bring it back home, give me. That's why I couldn't take a call. I couldn't even take a call on this. Because I see your phone and ring and something. But you me lost the money. And yeah, I couldn't take a call, man. After me can't, I don't know, start it.
You really careless enough. If you gonna lose the money and from morning and up on the time now. How you end up finding back?
Boy, I want a woman like she a pass and find the money and good enough to carry back home give me. I see all the money we give me for myself this man, me end up having to give me whole 10 grand. I end up giving. But tomorrow me can go down to the bank and go do it back early as day break.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, you better give me it, you know, because I'm not too just enough again, you know. Because you make mistake today, you know. I mean, I want tomorrow, you go tell me, say, man, take it this time, you know. So, let me just take it, and me will do what I will do. So, link me a morning, we are going on a tour. We'll have a shower, man, from day and I see him close, man.
Boss, I say thing going on me there to make sure I find back your money, you know, but I have an appointment with one girl and night. So I can go on now, man.
She ain't not breathing, you know.
So I must say thing about one. Right. Box a day of nice pan dashboard they do. You're going normal with yourself. Skin out your foot.
Yeah, you're too rude, you know.
Going normal.
So you like it, Bobbians?
Yeah, I like you a long time.
The other woman of driving here with you, you know? That me I tell you.
Babes, don't be foolish. Which other woman I go driving at this? I mean, alone I driving at this. I don't tell you.
Better.
I alone I driving at this. Stress out yourself.
Babes, I'm not too why you park the car in the lane, you know? You have to park it and then you walk come on because them people talk too much in the lane.
Alright. You know the thing, man. Can't too load up a thing because I want the boy send one next money if you buy one next car and time you go back over if you come back, you know.
Just keep it pan a low, is it?
I want house if you try making send the money and we go buy and we go somewhere far, we live on the car and go on now.
Oh, yeah, me.
Get all two you too. See if I can sweet him up and make him send a piece of money. Because remember with insurance, we pay for the license already and everything, but the insurance, we pay for 1 month, so you want a couple more. So make him send a piece of money come, man.
When I reach him, I'm going to link him.
Yeah, man, just sweet him up, man. Just tell him some nice things. Probably send him a little picture too, but not send him one where you send me. So we want them different.
Alright, babes.
Make him go on normal over there.
Yes, let me out here something walk down. Alright, babes.
So, sexy door. Ah. Yeah. Like, you put on weight, those.
Good life. I better say you can't lift me up.
Bet.
Bet. we want to say
Hello, Vanessa.
Oh, you come back so early?
Not a problem, man.
You couldn't call and say something?
I don't want to marry to you, somebody ring and ask me to come and marry to you, so I just show up. But at this year, though.
Babes, it's not what it look like.
Yeah, so, yeah, oh yeah, though. That's all.
No man, I train her in general. I got no beef with my father. She said she want to learn gymnastic. I mean, I'll show her a little gymnastic.
Come on, tell me now, sir.
I leave, man. I can just check my brother at the office again and finish this, yeah?
Girl, how are you? At least you want to don't touch me. At least you want to run Gwan with him. No, left out of my place.
I'm trying to please.
Left out of my place.
Please.
Hello, left out of my place. Yo, give me a now. What more you do? More the paper where you use. No, that money you use by the land. Right? So many paper I'm sure say you got it. See the answer. You see the money when we send go here for buy the land, show me the paper where you pay on the receipt, you show me say you pay spend money on that. No, come on. Why paper there?
I'm gonna get it.
Why there?